Welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can restore your broken Snapchat score streak. So in order to recover your Snapchat streaks, what you're going to do is simply click on this profile icon at the top left, and then from here choose the settings. Then scroll down until you see this option which says Help Center. So simply click on this Help Center option, and from here you need to search for Snapstreaks. So simply type Snapstreaks and hit the search icon. Then after you have done this, you can see some articles which are related to this particular problem. So you can click on any of this according to your problem. So for example, I will click on this article. Let's say I lost my Snapstreak. How do I restore it? And from here you need to click on this form. Simply click here, and you need to fill out this form with your username, email address, mobile number, and your friend's username, which is limited to one per submission. And then after you have hit the submit button, the Snapchat support team will review your request and they might restore your snap streaks. So that's it for this video. I will see you in the next one. If you like this video, make sure to hit the like button as well, comment on this video, share it, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.